Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RGS Info. This video is about how to reconcile bank statement with ledger with only amount. We are not going to consider check details and all things, only amount. So amount will be considered as a lookup value. Here the main point is the amount should be unique one. If the amount is not unique, then we have to trace which are the numbers are not unique. So based on that we have to trace, then we have to do reconciliation. Here whatever checks received from outside party considered as a debit entries in ledger. So this total amount should match with credit side of statement. If it is matching, then it's okay. Otherwise we have to check each and every entry. So let's make total sum okay. It seems both totals are okay. Still we have to check previous months any outstandings are there. Then based on that we have to reconcile it. Okay. Next one is whatever check we have issued to party, it will be in credit side of ledger. So that should match with bank statements debit side. Just get the total. Okay, there is some differences there. So each one we have to check. For that only the amount we have to do some reconciliation. So filter out only the entries. Take out blank and filter out. Okay, only for these entries we need to reconcile it. Index. We want get debit side. So H, comma, match should be credit side of entry. Again it has to check from debit side of entry of bank statement, comma, 0 for exact match, bracket close, bracket close. If I get 0, then it's fine. So subtract with amount. Just copy this one. At this point only 624 is not encashed. Ledger balance minus statement. So there is a difference of minus 387. It means bank amount is more and ledger is less. It means last month entry also encashed in this month. So like that we have to come to the conclusion. Otherwise there is some possibility there may be a bank charges or any other charges. We have to check. Here check number is given, so based on that we can come to the conclusion that check was issued and this month only encashed. Last month check is encashed in this month. So this should be reduced to the extent of 1002. this 1002 should be reduced so that it should match with ledger. And 624 is not encashed. Still 9 rupees difference is there. So how do we trace it? For that, count it. There is only one entry have duplicate entry 7950. The same should be available 2 times in bank statement. Here one entry, this is done, this is perfect. Here one more entry 7850. So here the entry is 7859. So there is a discrepancy of 9 rupees. So this minus 9 rupees should be adjusted if it is error by bank. Otherwise we have to adjust it. We simply get the total of debit side with credit side of bank statement. If it is a credit side, it should be a debit side of bank statement. Like that we have to reconcile each and every month, and we have to consider whatever outstanding last month, we have to clear it. If it is last month check is not cleared, then this will be reflected in this month. If any bank charges are there, then we have to pass the entries in ledger so that the balance would be reduced to the extent in ledger. If it is a bank charges of 100 rupees, then we have to reduce in ledger so that it will be matched. Need more comments on this if you don't understand whatever points in this video. Thank you. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.